I had to change the lock on the door. Right. There's a little screw that were in this hole on your door. Right, there's one close to it, but that's your adjuster that adjusts, you know, your track going all the way down from top to bottom. So just to make it easy, I've already took the screw out because I've only got one hand. So you just take that screw out, put that down, and you turn your key quarter of the way, hold your door, and get a wiggle and pull it out. Right, then you get your new lock. Right, obviously, just make sure you measure them. This one's just a spare one that I had, so it might fit. If not, I'm going to buy one tomorrow, but let's see how it goes. So, yeah, that's alright, that. So when it's in, as it's in, pick the screw that you're going to put in, and it's right late at night as well when I'm doing this. 1 second. So you have to line the screw up, you can see that, with the hole inside. Put your screw in, screw that, line it, and get a screwdriver. So screw that in, if it's in the hole, and it should be. Screw it all the way in so your door will shut. Bit hard with one hand. It's boiling today, I tell you. 30 degrees I think at night here as well. Right, so that's that. So you've got your lock here, it's like flush. That's actually how it should be. It's flush at this side, sticking out a little bit at that side. That's how you want it. So then close your door, lift up, lock, done. 2 minutes. Takes 2 minutes to change a lock. So if you think that's been helpful and it'll help you, I'll just check 1 sec. Just check it locks at this side, which obviously it will do, but just for the camera, just to check it, yep, all locked. So that's how you change your lock, as quick as that. And that took like 5 minutes. And if you ever locked out and you can't get in, there's another way of doing that, but I don't want to post that on YouTube. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to do that, but there's another way of doing it to get your lock out, so you can get in and do what you need to do. So I hope that's been helpful, and thanks for watching.